How to make resume in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Canva application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, what you can simply do is you can tap on the search bar at the top of the screen on the home page over here. So what you can simply do over here is you can simply on the search bar at the top of the screen, or you can just tap on the template, and as you tap on templates here you can just tap on search bar and search for resume. As you search for it, you'll be able to see thousands of resumes templates over here, so you can select whichever is more like your personality or whichever is more convenient for you. So you can see there are about 15,600 templates, paid, unpaid. There are free versions, there are pro versions. You can select whichever is more convenient for you, and then you can just make necessary edits and improvements, and then you'll be able to create your resume in Canva. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.